The police launch a manhunt for an escaped prisoner known as Camfa. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrew South Police have launched a manhunt for a prisoner who fled custody early Tuesday morning. On the loose is 29-year-old Garfield Diaz, otherwise called Camfa, of St. Paul Lane, Kingston 11. He is of dark complexion, medium, and has a scar on the left side of his head and right arm. The police say that Diaz fled the corporate area hospital where he was under police guard. The incident happened around 4 a.m. Diaz was detained on a charge of assault, occasional grievous bodily harm. The police is urging him to surrender. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Garfield Diaz alias Camfa is being asked to contact the Hunts Bay Police at 876-923-7111, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. The police is also reminding the public that harboring a fugitive is a criminal offense. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.